Welcome to day 13 of your 30-day yoga challenge. Today we have a simple feel-good flow, a bit of strength, but mostly stretch. Let's begin standing in mountain pose at the top of the mat. Ground your feet down and lengthen up through the crown of your head. Drop your chin down to the chest and circle your head a few times in one direction and another, moving at your own pace, making half circles or full circles with your head. Maybe even taking a pause at the place where you feel the most stretch in the neck. Slowly bring your head back to center. With inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Interlace your fingers, all except the pointy finger. Exhale, lean to the left into side bend. Take one deep breath in and out. With inhale, come back to center. Exhale, lean to the right. Find the stretch on the left side. Take one deep breath. With inhale, come back to center. Lean slightly back into back bend. Lift your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms down and interlock fingers behind your lower back. Squeeze your shoulder blades together, lift your chest, lift your gaze. Pull your hands away from the body to find that shoulder stretch. Release your hands. With inhale, reach arms up to the sky, look up. Exhale, fall down from the hips. Separate your feet a little wider and turn your toes out for a squat position. With inhale, bend the knees, sit your hips low, keep your fingertips on the floor. Exhale, straighten the legs, send your hips up to the ceiling. Inhale for squat, lift your heart, pull your knees out with your elbows. And exhale, straighten the legs again. A few more times at your own pace. Stretching the legs, inner thighs in squat, back of the legs in forward bend. Come back to forward bend, bring your feet parallel to each other and step your left foot back, lower the knee down, follow lunge. Lift your chest and interlace fingers behind your lower back here. Stay for a few breaths, lifting your heart a little higher with each inhale. Sitting lower into the hips on the exhale. Inhale, create space in your chest. Exhale, sit a little deeper. Inhale, reach arms up to the sky. Exhale, fingertips down. Tuck your back toes under and find your warrior two position. Bring your heels in one line, come up to standing. Flip your right palm up to the ceiling. With inhale, lean back in reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle. Forearm to the side, left arm reaches over the head. Inhale, reverse warrior. Keep your front knee bent. Exhale, side angle, big side stretch. One more time. Inhale, reverse warrior, lean back. Exhale, side angle. Come back to warrior 2. Straighten your front leg and find your triangle pose. Reach forward with your right hand, drop your hand down to the shin, extend your left arm up and breathe. Bend your front knee again, back to warrior 2. Inhale here. Exhale, hands down to the inside of your front foot. Drop your back knee down. Walk your right foot to the outside of the mat. Gently press your right leg away from you, letting the hips melt down towards the floor. If you can easily catch your back foot in this position, you can do so to deepen the stretch. A few more breaths. Release your right hand down, step your left foot forward into forward bend, and switch sides. Step your right foot back, drop your knee down, find your low lunge position, front knee bent above the ankle, interlock fingers behind the back and breathe. With inhale, broaden in the chest. With exhale, gently pushing the hips down towards the floor. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, lengthen. Exhale, hands to the mat. Tuck your right toes under and find your warrior 2 position on this side. Ground your feet down, find your strong position, and then we will flow. On the inhale, lean back into reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle, left forearm on the side, right arm reaches over the head. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle. One more time. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, side angle. Come to warrior 2 and straighten your front leg for triangle. Reach forward with your left arm. Drop your hand down to the shin. Extend your right arm up to the sky. Make your way back to warrior 2. Inhale here. Exhale, hands down to the mat on the inside of your front foot. Drop your right knee down and gently press your left knee away from you with your left hand. Option to hold your back foot with the opposite hand if you did so on the other side. Deep breaths, sinking the hips down towards the floor. Release your left hand down, tuck your right toes under and step forward into forward bend. Feet parallel, hip distance. Inhale, halfway up, straighten the spine. Exhale, fold all the way down. Palms to the mat. Step back into tabletop position. Knees underneath the hips. Inhale, extend your right arm up to the sky. Exhale, thread the arm underneath your left armpit. Lower your right shoulder. Bring your head to the mat. Find a gentle twist in the upper back. Left hand can stay in front of your face or extend this arm forward for a bit more stretch. Place your left hand flat on the mat. Inhale, reach your right arm up to the sky, open. Exhale, hand down to the mat. Other side, inhale, left arm reaches up. Exhale, thread the arm under the other armpit. Lower the shoulder down, find your twist. Breathe into the upper back, into the spot between your shoulder blades, or wherever you feel this stretch. With your next breath, press your right hand down, reach your left arm up. Exhale, hand down, tabletop. From here, lower down to your belly and roll over to lay down on your back. Keep your knees bent. Draw your knees to the chest, hug your shins and just rock side to side on your lower back. From here, straighten your right leg out on the floor. Keep holding your left knee. And with your right hand, guide this knee to the right into twist. Extend your left arm out in line with the shoulder and turn your gaze to the left. Slowly return back to center. Straighten your left leg out. Draw your right knee in towards your chest. And pull the knee to the left with your left hand. Straighten your right arm to the side. Look to your right hand, find your twist. Stay for a few breaths. Come back to center, straighten your legs out, reach arms overhead for one more big full body stretch. And then bend the knees, roll over to the side. Press yourself up into a comfortable seat. Close your eyes for a moment. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms to your heart. And open the eyes to finish your practice. I hope you feel good after this little flow. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow for day 14. Bye!